To do an elbow plank correctly, start by lying face down on the floor. Position your elbows directly under your shoulders and bend them at a 90-degree angle, resting your forearms flat on the ground with your hands, facing forward or clasped together. Tuck your toes under and lift your body off the ground, creating a straight line from your head to your heels. Engage your core by pulling your belly button toward your spine. Squeeze your glutes and keep your hips level. Avoid letting them sag or pike up. Keep your neck neutral by looking slightly ahead of your hands. Breathe steadily and hold the position for as long as you can maintain proper form. Start with 20 seconds and gradually increase the duration as your strength improves. Common mistakes to avoid include letting your hips drop, arching your lower back, or holding your breath. Always prioritize form over time to prevent injury and get the most benefit from the exercise. Elbow planks are excellent for strengthening your core, shoulders, back, and glutes. Incorporate them into your routine 2 to 3 times per week for best results. Please check my next video.